Also, he never stopped asking for a thing that he doesn't understand. Raven, the tall, dark, and handsome guy. My brother. For 9 years I spent with Raven, I would say that he's a jolly naughty person. Why? Kasi minsan, pag trip niyang mangungulit talaga siya. Pero in the end, babawi din siya sa ginawa niya. I think it is a one way of how he shows sickness to someone. Samuel. In just a short time that I met Samuel, I say that he's kind and good friend. Nico, the silent person, but when he bursts out, nakakatakot. But aside from he's our classmate that always sleeps during the class hour. Dennis Isonsa. Dennis is a good friend. He's one of the sweetest classmates I've ever had.
Iba na yan.
Jonathan, the leader of the Dota Boys. He's the eldest among
Parang mga
is a very kind
mythology lang,
to us. Julius Mandigma, our poetic classmate. Dahil sa kanyang malalalim ang mga mensaheng GGM sa amin.
Sige.
Joed Mamono, ang napakabait na kaibigan namin. Kim, si Kim ay makulit na bata. But when you talk to him seriously, makikita mo kung anong klaseng kaibigan siya. Froilan, our summer, once na kumanta na siya, lahat makikinig na sa kanya. He's member of the Jonas Brothers. Cyrus, our classmate na laging absent. But siya ay mabait na kaklase. Joshua, the drummer, our tugtog boy. Astig na si Jay kapag kumana na siya ng drums. Lloyd Serrano, the joker in our class. He always make each day filled with joy and laughter. Pero isa lang masasabi ko kay Lloyd. Lloyd, you're the best team captain. Robin Calentino, si Pocho. Also my brother. Since grade 2, magkaklase na kami niyan. For that long time, nakasama ko siya.
Okay.
I would say na siya ang kaibigan na I can count on. Rolly Ollie Boy, who stands as our father in our class. Last for the boys, Michael, the big man, who always wear garden, our guitarist rocker. Next, let me introduce to you the beautiful ladies of 4th year. Let me start with Christine, my best friend, who stands always beside me through ups and downs.
Oh.
Jeda is a very friendly person. Lahat dito kaibigan niya, kahit elementary. Arlene, our Maria, she's the most feminine in our class. Kabaliktaran lang yun. Si Maria ang napakabait na kaibigan. But nga lang, makulit nga lang talaga siya. Sheva, the goddess. I'm so glad na level up na siya. Dati hindi siya nakikipagsama sa amin, pero tingnan niyo siya ngayon, matapang na. Si Karen Cosa. Si Karen, siga yan. Pero deep inside, mabait yan. This batch consists of different personality, but there's just one thing that binds us. It is our unity, our acceptance to each other, and our care for each other, our love for each other, and that's why I'm so blessed that I belong to this batch. To my 4th year classmates, I would grab this opportunity to thank you for making each one of us to grow and to know the real essence of friendship. Salamat sa mga kasiyahan at pagsasama na binigay niyo. As I end this reading, in behalf of my classmates, I would like to thank not just our advisor, also our best friend, our katropa, our ate, but the best of all, ang aming naging pangalawang nanay, si Teacher Mai. Thank you that you give to us. Dahil sa'yo, nakita namin kahit sa labas ng school, you're always there to guide us. To our subject teachers, kahit napapasakit namin ng mga ulo nyo, maraming salamat. To the administration, thank you very much for everything you done to us. Thank you, and God bless.